Welcome to the presentation of the Personal Cashbook product. This is a presentation only. Once you have purchased the product, I will send you a link that provides you with a full training. This Excel file has 5 worksheets in it. The Chart of Accounts worksheet, Worksheet A, which houses the cash books, Worksheet B, which provides you with a summary of your income and expenses once you've allocated your cash books, the Splitting worksheet, which I will cover in the advanced training link, and the Summary worksheet, which I will show you what it's used for in this presentation. One of the features of this product is that you can import your bank statements. It allows for the controlling of up to 9 bank accounts. So you can import your bank statements for up to 9 bank accounts in this product. To do this, you will download your bank statements from your internet banking in the CSV format, save that file in a logical location, and then you will click on Import Bank Statement. Do you want to import bank statement? Yes, we do. And you will then select the relevant bank account that you want to import into the cash book. So let's select the first cash book in the list. Okay. You will then go and locate the bank statement where you've saved it from your internet banking. And then you will highlight the dates of the transactions that you wish to import into your cash book. And OK. Bank statements imported into cash book. If you have more than one bank account, like I said, it allows you to import up to 9 bank statements. So we can go and import the second one. Find where we saved it from our internet banking. Highlight the dates. OK. And it imports the bank statement into the second cash book. So there's the first cash book that we imported. And there's the second. The Find and Replace button is a feature that I will show you on the training link once you've purchased the product. Once you've imported your bank statements, if you would like to use reference numbers, you can. It's not mandatory. And you can enter details per transaction if you would like to. It's not mandatory. From there, you will then select the type of expense that you wish to allocate that transaction to. For example, this is a bank charge, and the first few transactions in the month are normally always bank charges, so you could just copy down to the transactions that it applies to. And interest, you will then select interest paid. The chart of accounts is in alphabetical order, and when you edit it to suit your own requirements, you can try to keep it in alphabetical order. Interest paid. There's another bank charge, so we can copy that over. And so you will go on allocating all the transactions that you've imported from your bank statement. There's nothing stopping you from entering transactions manually into these cash books if you do not have internet banking facilities. Importing the bank statement obviously just limits any errors you may make when entering the transactions. The Summarize button allows you to filter various information that you may require. These transactions that we've already allocated, you could, for example, just search for bank charges, and it will give you a list of the bank charges with a relevant bank account to show you where those bank charges came from. If you wish to search on interest, because that's one we've now already allocated, you will just click on interest and it will show you which bank account and the amount of all the transactions that you allocated to interest. Of course, the more we allocate, the more information will be listed in the summary worksheet to be filtered on. Also, as you allocate the transactions, it will update the summary of your income and expenses in worksheet B. And there's all the bank charges that we've allocated so far, and the interest will be on row 65. Each time we allocate a transaction in the cash book, let's go and allocate this one, just for example purposes, to salary income. And we go to worksheet B, and it will update the salary income figure on the summary in worksheet B. The product comes with this standard chart of accounts, but you can edit it to suit your requirements in the chart of accounts worksheet. For example, if you wish to change salary income to allowance, it will automatically update all the other relevant worksheets within this Excel file. So when you now drop down, it won't say salary income anymore, it will say allowance. So the editing of the chart of accounts is very important the first time you receive the file to suit your personal requirements. The only account it will not allow you to edit will be the Inter-Cashbook Transfers account, and I will explain that on the advanced training link. All the other accounts you can edit to suit your personal lifestyle. And you can edit the bank accounts in line with your own bank account, so you could rename that bank account to Check Bank Goal, for example, and you can even enter the account number, and it will automatically then update the name of the bank account in the cash book. The second cash book is currently called To Bank Account, and we can update that to, for example, Credit Card, Bank Tutsi, and you can enter the account number if you wish, and it will then update that cash book name to however you have edited it. And when you import your bank statements, it will also update those account names in the bank account list. The very first time you use the product, you will enter all the opening balances of the bank accounts that you will be having cash books for. So let's enter 5,000 for this account and 1,000 for that account. And once you have allocated all your transactions and checked your summary of income and expenses and made sure that your closing balances agree to the bank statement, you will save your file and you will click on Create New Sheet. And you will name the new sheet, for example, to the next month that you will be doing your cash book, and it will create a new cash book for you for the new month or period that you want to be doing your cash book for. It will keep all the editing that you've already done in your chart of accounts, and it will bring forward the closing balance of the cash book as the opening balance into the new cash book. So you will only need to enter the opening balance the very first time you use the product, and then you will go straight into importing your bank statements and allocating them again. If you wish to split transactions between different account allocations, I will show you how to do that using the splitting worksheet in the advanced training video. And that brings us to the end of the presentation of the Personal Cash Book, an incredible tool for you to control what you're spending your money on and how to budget better. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to speak to you soon in the training video. Have a great day.